Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super interesting. Why swimming pool construction is a whole different world compared to regular construction projects. If you're thinking, it's just digging and pouring concrete, right? Think again. Let's break it down. In regular construction like houses or buildings, a little moisture might cause damage over time. But in pool construction, you're literally holding thousands of liters of water 24/7. That means waterproofing must be perfect, from the structure to the plumbing to the finishes. A small leak can cause massive problems, not just for the pool, but for the property around it. Pools don't just hold water, they hold water under pressure. So unlike walls of a house, the pool shell has to be designed to resist water pressure from the inside and soil pressure from the outside. That's a very different type of engineering. Forget basic plumbing. Pool plumbing is like a circulatory system. You've got main drains, skimmers, return lines, suction lines, and more, all working with filters, pumps, chlorinators, maybe even heating or salt systems. It's not just about getting water in, it's about keeping it clean, safe, and moving. Tile, pebble, vinyl, paint? The materials used inside a pool aren't just for looks. They affect how long the pool lasts, how slippery it is, and how easy it is to maintain. It's not just a finish, it's part of the pool's performance. Pools require very specific building codes, from fencing, drainage, electrical grounding, even depth requirements for diving. Why? Because we're dealing with water, electricity, and people, and that's a serious combination if not done right. Swimming pool construction might look simple, but it's packed with engineering, safety, and design challenges that go way beyond a regular building project. If you're planning to build one, make sure to hire pros who understand these differences, because building a pool isn't just construction, it's a science. A swimming pool isn't just about water, it's about memories. Family laughter on sunny afternoons, quiet mornings with a coffee by the pool, weekend barbecue with friends. With Majesco Garden and Pool Services, you're not just building a pool, you're creating a lifetime of moments. We put passion in every detail, from the first sketch to the last drop of water. Trust us to design a pool that's not just beautiful, but truly yours. With our expert craftsmanship, eye for design, and passion for creating relaxing outdoor spaces, we don't just build pools. We create your private paradise. Whether it's a modern family pool, a luxurious resort-style setup, or a nature-inspired landscape oasis, Majesco brings your vision to life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more pool and construction tips. See you next time.